Okay, so the last has been left till least. No, it's not the least. It's actually the longest and probably the strangest tool on the multi-tool here. But roll intro, we'll get into it now. Okay, so I've got a Roxon here, and you get to choose your own tools. So it's a modular system, so you can choose which ones you want. Now, what is this one? Why did I choose it out of all of them? Questions I actually ask myself as I'm going through these, and that's going to be the point, is saying, hey, here's what I chose in my setup, giving you a little bit of an idea of what they look like, and then I'll test each one properly, or as properly as I can or want to, I guess. So this one is a ruler. No, it's a ruler, very practical. No, on a multi-tool. I'm questioning this one. But what is quite cool is that there's a magnet on the end. So you can see these are the brushes. I've got a brush on this side. So if that brush is sitting on the other side of the table, I can collect it with the magnet. Okay, I don't know how strong it is if I drop my keys down a drain and I can't reach that distance. Okay, interesting idea, I guess. Ruler. Now, what I'm interested to see if this works in my day-to-day, because I'm a teacher, right? So there, I want to rule something. Am I reaching for my multi-tool? No, of course not. I've got like a normal ruler, right? In fact, I've got a lovely ruler I got from a Vsauce pack. But anyway, so I've got my ruler. Now, I guess what is quite nice and what will be interesting is that because it's a multi-tool where it's modular, you can actually take it out. So suddenly this has become possibly a bit useful because you don't always have a ruler on you. So the other day I wanted to measure something and I was putting a piece of leather on something. I thought, geez, what is that distance? And I went down and I fetched the tape measure from the workshop. Well, maybe I could have saved myself. I didn't need an exact measurement, and I can rule up to 15 centimeters or whatever that is in this other strange system. I think it's called inches. But anyway, so there we go. You can take it out, put it back in, and that's that. So what does it mean to be a Roxon ambassador? Does it mean that I got free tools? Yes, that's exactly what it means. It means that I filled in a thing on the website. It said, hey, let me be an ambassador for you. I don't know what this means, but hey, maybe I can get a free tool out of it, which is exactly what happened. Does it mean that I have to say nice things? Not at all. In fact, I've been very impressed by the communications I've had with them. They say, just give us honest reviews, give us ideas, that's what you're looking for. Now, of course, it's advertising, right? You know, there's no hiding from that either. Each of these videos is basically making an advert. So, yeah, these things are always questionable. And I've said, you know what, get some free tools, make some videos. I've been looking to make some videos. I made some during lockdown for COVID, and I loved it for my teaching. I'll be looking for an excuse to make some others. So let's see. Hopefully you enjoyed these. Comments below, all of those things. Ask the questions. I think they're worthwhile asking.